Good day all. Welcome to the onboarding video of Bridge LCS. Bridge LCS is a cloud-based ERP software focused majorly on logistics, freight forwarding, transportation and custom clearance. This video will help you to get started with your account in an easy way. Go to lcsbridge.com. On the home page, you will get to see the form to register for the 14 days free trial. It is not mandatory to provide your card details to get started with the trial. Fill in the details and you will be redirected to the next page. In the next page, you will have to set the password and set the country. Click on Next. You are provided with 3 convenient plans, out of which 2 are listed here. Lite is the basic plan which satisfies the requirement of the startup business. Growth is suitable for small to medium level businesses with required amount of jobs and vouchers in it. Third plan is the Enterprise, which is not listed here. You can contact our team to activate the Enterprise level plan. Enterprise plan is suitable for the users who wishes to have all the features of Bridge LCS into their system. Enterprise also supports customization according to your requirements. Lite and Growth plan has certain limitation to the features which you can refer in the website link given in the description. Click on Register to complete the registration. Next step is the email verification. You can check your mailbox for the account verification link. If the link is not received, then you can click on the recent verification email given here. Here is the email. Click on Verify email address. Once these steps are completed, your registration is done and you will be redirected to your account. These are the pop-ups about the system's recent updates. If you want to know more about the recent updates, you can click on the release notes, else you can skip this part. The first page you'll be landing on is the welcome page. First step to be done here is to complete the profile setup. Click on Complete Profile. Fill in the mandatory fields like the company name, CR number, which might reflect in the invoices and vouchers wherever required. Fill in the basic contact details like email ID, your contact number, website details, etc. Next comes the services section. In this section, you need to set the list of services offered by you. Next is location settings. Fill in the details regarding your location in both English and your local language. Finally, you can set the office timings and working days to complete the profile settings. Once these steps are done, make sure you save the data filled, failing which may lead to the deletion of data. Jumping to the next part, second part is the tax settings. Enable yes if you have a tax number and fill in the type of tax followed in your country under the tax name. Here fill in its corresponding abbreviation, description and tax number. Click on Save before proceeding to the next level. Once done, you can move to the Add Tax and make the entries as required. Final part is the services, wherein the tax rate can be set according to the services being done. Fix the precise sales and purchase type and save the data to reflect the entries done. These two are the very crucial settings to be done initially. Remaining invoice customization and quotation customization can be done as per your choice. The working of these modules are detailedly explained at the Learning Center available in the floating bar. This is all about the onboarding video. If you are interested to know about the shortcuts available in the system, you can check the description for link. I hope this video would be useful for you to set up your account. For more queries, you can raise a ticket from here. Thank you for watching.